It's Wednesday. We are at Ridgevale Beach. Some light rain right now. That's all right. We got our sunbuster. Also busting some rain right now. Yeah, we are using the sunbuster. It has not been used in a while. Sarah, how's your fish? Does he like the rain? Mara just said she's never been so happy to have this tent. Never knew I'd be using it for a rainy day at the beach. I'm going camping and I'm bringing jelly sandwiches.
I'm going camping and I'm not liking this game.
You gotta figure it out. I'm going camping and I'm bringing jelly sandwiches.
I'm going camping and I'm bringing soup.
You can't bring that.
I'm going camping and I'm bringing a sleeping bag.
We're hiding out in our tent.
I'm bringing a bumblebee.
We're waiting for the rain to pass so we can enjoy our beach day. It's starting to rain again. It's raining. This is a hard rain. Come back to safety. Sarah will not let the rain deter her from playing with the fish. Sarah, this is like the hardest it's rained. We're still waiting out the rain. Let's go see how it looks behind us in the outside world. A few families have, looks like they're waiting out the rain. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 families plus ourselves. We've had this sunbuster for at least 10, 11, maybe 12 years. I don't know. Yeah, this is the first time we've ever used it for rain shelter, and it's done very well. Kudos to LL Bean. All right, what are you doing, Sarah? All right, here we are. We're clamming. We're actually clamming, Sarah. We've learned the ways of clamming, and you're digging for clams. We've had a lot of clam success. Look at that. You gonna catch them or you let them go?
We've been crabbing for a couple minutes.
Not crabbing.
There's a horseshoe crab. There's a horseshoe crab.
That is so cool. I've never seen one that small. Holy cow.
Mom, get it, Mom.
Point the camera at the horseshoe crab.
No, that one's dead. No, it was
just
moving.
moving. We just saw it move.
There are some little live guys. Mama, get it.
Done with clamming. We're back to riding the fish.
We rented paddle boards and I get a ride because I'm too scared to paddle. I did steering me a ride because I just love rides. And we rented
I thought you'd want to do this on your own.
Yeah, I'm not doing that on my own because I don't want to do it on my own. It's really fun when you get rides. But when you're pedaling, it's not that fun. Yeah.
Here we are paddling, Chatham. Little paddle in. I thought we were gonna get Sarah on the paddle.
And if you go to Cape Cod, go to Ridgevale Beach because if you have kids, there's 20 crabs like everywhere, and you might even get to collect clams.
Midday update. Still hanging out at Ridgevale Beach. Walking along the ocean for a little bit. We've been here all day. Sarah dug up a lot of clams. She relaxed on her fish all day, seems like. Turned into a beautiful afternoon. We walked on the beach for a little bit. Is it time for ice cream yet? Ice cream from the Brewster Scoop was good. Hit the spot. Nice summer day treat. Mara's doing a little shopping in the Brewster General Store.